with this sculpture that I made out of monster clay. And I need to make a silicone mold of this, but first I wanna fix some areas that I don't really like about it. So essentially what this is Madame Leota from the Haunted Mansion. I'm a huge Disney fan. Anybody who knows me knows this. I live Disney. I love the Haunted Mansion especially. I love Pirates of the Caribbean. I'm a big fan.
What else do you love up there? Like, what else rides do you love?
I love almost all the rides at Disney.
Which rides are your favorites?
My favorites are the roller coasters, the faster rides like Big Thunder, and I like Space Mountain, all right. In California, I really love the Incredicoaster, and I really love the Mission Breakout Guardians of the Galaxy ride that used to be Tower of Terror.
Oh my God.
So much fun.
No.
So much fun.
No!
I love it.
It's creepy.
Anyway,
I don't like seating.
at the Magic Kingdom, outside when you're waiting to get in, there are a bunch of tombstones. And one of them is of Madame Leota. And that's what this represents. It would be like a whole tombstone, like big gray tombstone. And then this would be the center part. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mold of this. And then I'm going to cast it in resin and or like a plastic. And I'm also going to make a mold of this in plaster that I can cast with ceramic slip. And then I'm going to fire it. And I'm going to do a bunch of different finishes. So I'm going to film all of these different steps all along the way.
myself half time alone.
Oh. Okay, well, a couple little mistakes here. I got her out. I got her out. Yay. Alright, so a couple deep spots. Looks like maybe some air bubbles. Not terrible. I have had worse. But the sculpture came out pretty good. So we'll be able to reuse that for the plaster mold. And here is my silicone. That's pretty exciting. I need to do some cleanup on this mold, but almost ready to use. Just gotta get some of this monster clay out of here. I'll do that and be back. Alright, so yesterday I went through and made a plaster shell for my silicone mold. It just sort of supports all the thin areas of the mold and keeps the sides from collapsing, because when we pour in the resin and the whatever plastic or whatever it is that we end up using, because we can use lots of different things, it'll be quite heavy. So isn't that cool how it kind of looks? It's concave, but you see how it follows you because it's concave. That's such a cool illusion. Woo! Unfortunately, this is a mold. This is not the finished piece, so don't get used to the effect. But it is really neat, isn't it? To play with. Woo! She's following me with her face. Ooh. I'm gonna do my test cast in this polyfoam rigid casting foam, and you just have to mix a very little amount and it expands. It goes huge. So I don't anticipate that I'm gonna even need to fill this thing, not even close. So here we go. And here it comes. Hopefully it'll fill up the whole thing and not too much. This is good.